Selena, Class 10, Chapter 3, Shares and Dividend. Sum number 13. A man invests rupees 8,800 in buying shares of a company of face value of rupee 100 each at a premium of 10%. If he earns rupees 1200 at the end of the year as dividend, find first the numbers of share he has in the company. Second, the dividend percent per share. Face value means nominal value of the share. Total investment is rupees 8,800. Nominal value of one share rupees 100. Market value of one share is rupees 110. Numbers of share purchased equals to 8,800 upon 110 equal to rupees 80. Nominal value of 80 shares equal to 80 into 100 is equals to rupees 8,000. Let dividend percent be X percent. Therefore, X percent of 8,000 equals to 1200. X upon 100 into 8,000 equals to 1200. X equals to 1200 upon 80, that is equals to 15%. So dividend percent is equals to 15%. Sum number 14. A man invests rupees 1,680 in buying shares of nominal value rupees 24 and selling at 12% premium. The dividend on the share is 15% per annum. Calculate 1. The numbers of share he buys. Second, the dividend he receives annually. Nominal value of one share is rupees 24. Market value of one share is 24 plus 12% premium. 12% of rupees 24. That is equals to 12 upon 100 into 24. That is equals to 2.88. Therefore, market value is equals to 24 plus 2.88 equal to rupees 26.88. Total investment is rupees 1,680. Numbers of shares bought is equals to 1680 upon 26.88. That is equals to 62.5 shares. Nominal value of 62.5 shares will be 62.5 into 24. That is equals to rupees 1,500. Dividend equal to 15% of 1,500. That is equals to 15 upon 100 into 1,500. That is equals to rupees 225. Sum number 15. By investing rupees 7,500 in a company paying 10% dividend, an annual income of rupees 500 is received. What price is paid for each of the rupee 100 share? Total investment is equal to rupees 7,500. Nominal value of one share is rupees 100. Let the numbers of share purchase be X. Therefore, nominal value of X shares is equals to rupees 100X. Dividend equal to 10%. Dividend is equals to 500. 10% of nominal value. So 10% of 100X equals to 500. 10 upon 100 into 100X equals to 500. Therefore, X is equals to 500 upon 10 equal to 50 shares. Market value for one share is equals to amount invested 7500 upon numbers of share 50, that is equals to rupees 150.